Hey, what's up guys, and this is my unboxing of this really cheap but apparently very good China keyboard. It's from China, it's super cheap. It's the Lingyi Blackwidow. So it's a super cheap mechanical keyboard, and let's find out if it's any good. Actually stay subscribed because I'll have a full-on review. Now it's just a quick overview and unboxing of the keyboard. So it's a Lingyi Blackwidow electronic sports mechanical keyboard. Some nice spider branding there, and if you move to the back you find some specs as well as a name, mostly in Chinese. But you can understand the specs, so I'm going to zoom in so you guys can read the specs. Works with Windows Vista 7.8 iMac as well, but it doesn't really matter. Windows 10 is okay. It's 87 keys, so 10 keyless. The key depression, the weight, as well as the dimension of the keyboard, all there. If you understand Chinese, it will help you out a lot. If you are buying a Chinese product, then you can understand the specs. I do understand Chinese, but I'm not that good at it, so I can roughly understand it, but I can give you an exact translation. So the box is very simple. It's just brown and cardboard. Let's pop it open and see what's inside. So first off, you're greeted by this keyboard. It's in this kind of soft, fluffy, felt-like kind of plastic. It's protecting the keyboard, and there's no like tabs, so you can't really pull it out. Very annoying. So let's just quickly pull that out of the container. Very nice, soft material, protects it, and once again, and then it's protected by another plastic shell, which is nice. You can actually keep these kind of plastic shells. These kind of plastic shells are really good for protecting your technology. So if you want to bring your keyboard out, these kind of plastic shells are really useful. So this is the keyboard itself. Let me just adjust the contrast here, the brightness. So yeah, it's a white keyboard, white keycaps. The keycaps look kind of ugly with the font, but yeah, whatever. It's got a nice metal backplate, very solid actually. No keyboard flex anywhere. Lingyi, from this Chinese company, Lingyi, as it says here, very interesting indeed. Very nice. So on the back, on the front you've got the standard keyboard, of course, 87 keys, 10 keyless, very standard layout, and cow blue switches, which are not as good as Cherry MX, but they do okay in terms of quality of typing. It's a really cheap keyboard. Subscribe if you want to see my full review and in-depth talk on it, opinions on it. It's got a standard layout, which is nice. On the back, you've got two rubber feet that kick up. That's very nice of them to add. Kind of weak though, kind of flimsy feeling. And the back plate is really kind of a cheapo plastic, which is not very nice. Here we've got a keycap remover, which is really interesting to get just attached to the back of this keyboard. I don't know how to get rid of it. I don't know how to take it out though. Okay, so you pull it back and then it comes out, and it's a nice keycap puller, which is a nice touch for them to add. Very good of them. So yeah, it's constantly to the back of your keyboard, which means it's very functional because it's always there. Super convenient. I like that. It also comes with manual in Chinese, so unless you understand Chinese, you won't understand it, but it's fine. Nothing particularly important there except for some functions, but it's kind of self-explanatory. So let's pop open the box. Let's see what else is in the box. Ooh, it's got a pretty nice braided cable actually. Very nice braided cable. It does terminate in a USB connection that's gold plated. Not that that really helps anything at all. Gold plated USB connections don't do much. It does come with a cap, so it's really interesting. A very well accessorized, good accessories all around. Nice braided cable all around here. Very, very good quality feeling so far. I mean, there's some cheap feeling areas here and there, but for a keyboard, at the price I got it for, which is super cheap, it's really good. So down here, you get another keycap puller, which is kind of weird. Like, why do you need two keycap pullers? I don't get it. I mean, both of them are the same size, so both of them are actually the same size. So it doesn't really make sense to have two. Increases cost for them, but I guess if they want to add extra, that's fine with me. I mean, I get more stuff. So yeah, keycap. So it's actually a pretty good keyboard. Let's see if there's any lighting effects. I didn't really do that much research on this before getting this keyboard, so I'm just gonna plug it in quickly about here. No lighting effects so far. I don't know if there are drivers to be installed. Let's see. Any light? I mean, if you pull up the keycap, you find that it looks like it's a clear translucent. It's a clear kind of key switch housing. So there could be LEDs. I can't see any LEDs, but maybe there are. You know, sometimes you're super lucky. That kind of feel. Let me just read the instructions here. So it actually is a very nice keyboard. So far, I think it looks really good, and for the amount of money you pay for it, it's pretty value. FNH and FN plus. No, FN underscore, no. I don't understand what it says. Does it need drivers? Because it's super annoying. Okay, it's working. Let's see if there are lighting effects. Nothing. Very nice to type though. That's very interesting. You can actually switch the functionality of this 4 keys and these 4 keys, WASD and arrows, by pressing FNW. And when you do that, the arrow keys become WASD, which is very interesting. I don't know why anyone would need that, but okay. FN plus, no lights so far. Doesn't seem to be working. Okay. Oh, you can actually launch the calculator with this. It can launch the default browser with this. Very nice touch actually. Play more stuff here. Interesting actually. It does light up. There's a light here. I don't think the keys light up though. I don't think it lights up then. It's kind of confusing. Yeah, it doesn't light up. So there's no backlighting on this keyboard, but it's fine. I'll be putting custom keycaps on here anyway, so it's none of my business if there are lights or not. It's gonna be PBT keycaps that are not transparent. So anyway, that's it for this unboxing. If you guys enjoyed it, like and subscribe. And subscribe if you want to see the full-on review of this keyboard. Will be coming out soon. And thanks for watching. Goodbye. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.